Hey folks, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, whatever the case may be. So exciting. This package has just arrived. It's a week and a half late. Because straight ship, they tried to deliver and there was nobody home, so it went back to the warehouse to wait until they had another package to deliver around here. And yeah, my dad just dropped it off. I did open it up because there was an item in the package for him. This package, okay, so there's one little item in here that is not a diamond painting, but I saw this and I knew I needed to get it. Aww. So hopefully it's not too reflective. So this is gonna go on my keychain. I'll do up a keychain with that because I love keychains. Okay, so here's my scary canvases that I ordered. So this first one is a 40 by 40. Oh, it's dirty. The plastic is dirty. But that's okay. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot tell you the prices of these because they are it's all the information is on my phone that I'm currently using to record. So this is a 40 by 40, like I said, and it is a skeleton with long hair and long scary fingers. Yeah. So it's pretty scary. I don't know if you can see the picture, the thumbnail. So there's 20 colors. 1 through 8 is 1 through 8, and then 9 through 20 is alphabet in alphabetical order. So, oh, now there's writing on the package. CC. Oh, no, that's... Huh. Okay, anyways, I always keep my colors and my drills. So it's all pre-bagged, which is cool. So I will do a kit up video. Basic toolkit. Yep, basic toolkit. This is number 1. It is scary. It's the first one. Alright, now this one is a 40 by 60. This is my Cookie Monster. Okay, those of you who also follow Mushmello from Dark and Creepy Diamond Painting will have already seen this one because she got this one first. This one has been on my shopping list. It's been on my shopping list for a long time. Yeah. It has been on my shopping list for a while. I just finally decided I better get it. Mushy got it. I'm getting it. So, so it's a scary Cookie Monster. Scary Cookie Monster. Look at those scary teeth and the poor cookies. Oh my goodness, the poor cookies. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of black. And that's not black. It's not black. It's 939. So there is no 310. Yeah, there's no 310 in this at all. It's all like a very, very dark blue. There's blue, and more blue. Yeah. So that, oh my goodness, that's going to be so much fun. So 24 colors. The DMC is all in numerical order, and it is all letters. It's the alphabet, but not in alphabetical order. 24 colors, 40 by 60. And yeah, look at those colors. Oh my goodness. There's grays and blues and browns. And a purple. Yeah, that's kind of a purple right there. Oh. So yeah, I'm excited. But you can see why the name of my Facebook group, oh, and Bougie on a Budget, as Diamond Grandma likes to call it, Bougie on a Budget. Toolkit, basic toolkit. It's all you really need to do a canvas, but of course, us diehards need better. Ooh, this one's a funky one. I thought this one was cool. Psychedelic, you know, third eye type. This is a 40 by 50. Yeah, it's a 40 by 50. And here's the thumbnail. Hard to see the thumbnail. Sorry, but yeah, it's hard to see the thumbnail. But it's a funky psychedelic. Well, it's a funky, ooh. Desert, it's got a desert scene in the background because there's cacti. And then a funky looking face. You got the eyes and the nose and the mouth. And then third eye, the big massive eye on the forehead. So this is a 40 by 50. This has black in it. It's got 310. It is 18 colors. 1 through 8 is 1 through 8. And then 9 through 18 is alphabetical. And it's in alphabetical order. And yeah. And the DMCs are also in correct order. This is also pre-bagged. Oh, my friend's gonna be getting lots of baggies. Woohoo! Look at these colors. Oh wow. Yeah, this one's gonna be 40 by 50. Yeah. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, yep. I'm gonna be doing kit up and kit down videos for all of these. I've been doing some partials and lately, and here's another Bougie on a Budget. So I did a baby. I did not do a kit up video or kit down videos for the baby sloth, the partial flowers. I might have. I can't remember now. The midnight cat. Yeah, there are some that I've not been doing kit up or kit down videos for, and I know I should be. So this one is a 50 by 50, and it's a little squishied. Darn it, it's a little squishied. But this is product decorative painting. All right, so throw that over there. So this one is the Cheshire Cat. Oh my goodness. Now that's a scary kitty. That's a very scary Cheshire Cat. I strongly believe this is the Cheshire Cat because there's purple stripes on the tail. You've got the tail back here. And it's got the purple stripes on the legs here. There's the rib cage. Yeah, rib cage. Yeah. Freaky eyes, spooky eyes. Long, spooky teeth. And the claws. And, oh my goodness. This, let's see here. So, there is purple, 154. There is black, 310. Purple, 550. 823. Haha, nice. So there's 17 colors. The DMC is in order. And it's all alphabetical letters, alphabet, capital letters, but not in alphabetical order. So this it's a 50, says it's a 50 by 50. Yes. And it looks really cool, very spooky. And then here's all the dark colors, and then there's a little bit of light color here, a little bit of light colors, all pre-bagged. So all 4 of these are pre-bagged, which is awesome. Awesome. So excited. And there's another bougie on a budget kit, toolkit. So, yeah, there's 4 more. Yay! So, not much of an unboxing, but look, that's a lot of the same color. So, yeah, none of them have ABs, but that's okay. I was actually taking a break from diamond painting when my dad knocked on the door and handed me the package. And yeah, I was actually working on a cross stitch. Oh, I'm gonna trim this. The edge of this canvas is just a little bit too much fluff from the canvas, but there we go. So yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, so I've been working on my pink tree canvas cross stitch, but oh my goodness, I can't kit any of these up right now because I don't have I need more bottles. Well, I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Currently have 6 canvases kitted up, and then I've also got the two coasters kitted up as well. Excuse me. So I'm excited with all 4 of these. I will take pictures and I will kit them up, and I will do videos of kitting them up later. And until next time, see ya.